Roast pork belly and crispy crackling toasty. Here we go. So here is our pork belly. Come over here. We still have the skin on. That's gonna be the crispy crackling. Let's cut it in half first. There's loads of fat on here. So we want to put this in the oven and let the fat render out. And here we go. Into a Pyrex dish. Very simple, just a little bit of olive oil. Rubbed in. Like that, get all around. Okay, a bit of salt and pepper. Oh, 'tis the season. Loads of salt, pep. Get it in there, don't be shy. Okay, let's put that in a preheated oven, 180 degrees Celsius, for about 1 hour and a half. Here we go. Fatty area forward. See you soon. The pork has had about 45 minutes in the oven. Let's take it out. Let's give it a little basting. Fatty juice all over. Yes. We'll put it back in the oven for another 20. I'm going to pull it back out again. Cut off the skin, the crackling. Turn it over, put it on another tray. And then we'll roast the two together, different levels. Back in the oven. And then we'll go to the third step. Okay? Are you following me there, Fun Bear? Yeah. Cool. Here we go again. After 20 minutes, pork back out again, and we're gonna cut off the skin for the crackling. Here. So we'll cut it around there. Oh, it's going through like a hot knife through butter. Cool, look at that. And one more piece. That. Cutting off the skin there. So this part's getting crispy, but it needs more. So, pork. I'm going to cut the skin, the fat a little bit more there. Let that render. Some more in the oven. Okay, back in. Give a little roll around in that fat. Oh, come on. Oh, bit more S and P on top there. Okay, we're going to put that back in the oven for another 30 minutes. Crackling another sheet, turn it over. Give that a little bit of salt and pepper as well. And that goes in the oven above the pork. Okay. Turn it up to 200 degrees centigrade. And we'll give it another 30 minutes. See how we go. Hot stuff. Cut and toast your bread, just like this, on a griddle pan. Get it nice and toasty. Pork is ready, it's out of the oven. I turned it up to 250 degrees the last 5 or 10 minutes, get it nice and golden brown. The crackling's still going. That needs another 5 minutes in a really hot oven. So let's slice this up on the board here, and then we're gonna grill it over there in a hot pan, grill pan that's going now. Alright, big thick slices, please. Slice. This is gonna be real good. Okay, let's get it on the grill. Hot grill pan on. Pork down for a little bit more crisp enough. Ooh, gonna hear the sizzle. Give that 2 minutes, turn it over, and then we will compile. And we are ready to put this pork crispy crackling sandwich, toasted sandwich together. Alright, here's my homemade bread infused with some garlic and some dried herbs. Here's the base. This is mayonnaise, sweet chili sauce. About 50-50 each one. Onto our bottom of the bread. Okay, smear that on. Okay, good. And then we'll put on our pork. Little fella there. Probably put that one there. Put that there. Squash it down a bit. Put on some lettuce. Top of that. Crispy iceberg lettuce. Lovely. Some thick sliced tomato on that. Salt and pepper. Can you see that? A little bit of chili oil. Bit of heat. Sliced onion. I just soak them in some cold water, nice and thinly sliced. Put that on there as well. Some coriander. Coriander leaves on there as well. And now our crispy crackling. Just gonna cut this into 4 bits. One there. One there. One there. One there. Push it down a bit. Okay, a little bit more sauce on the top part. Okay, shall we crown our King of Conan? You ready? Here we go. How about that? Here we go, nice cross section. Wish me luck. Okay, hear the crackling now. Oh, yeah. All the way through. And here it is, my roasted pork, crispy crackling, toasted sandwich with lettuce, coriander, tomato, sweet chili mayonnaise sauce, a crispy crackling I already said. Look at it. Ho ho ho! Let's eat. And it's my favorite time of day. That's putting this into here, into there, and probably out there. But let's start with here. Get the corner bite. Right there, some crispy crackling. 1, 2, 3. Lost for words. That is quite simply amaze balls. Unreal. Oh, have a go at this. It will make you a happy person. It is divine. Wow. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. It's free. Don't worry about any subscription fees. It is free. Subscribe, like, hit that notification bell if there is one. I'm not too sure if we have one, but do it anyway, just for laughs. Have a crack at this, and let me know how you like it. Cheers. See you next time.